So let's talk about pronominal verbs. I think they're sometimes called reflexive, whatever. But this is action to oneself. Action to oneself. For example, there's a verb timo, which means to
do.
To do. So I am doing atimo. He is doing otimo. We are doing watimo, and so on and so forth. But if you want to say unajifanya aje, what are you doing to yourself? Doing to yourself is what we call dholuo. Dholuo. So there is this extension of ruok or uok. Dholuo. I'll give you more examples to see that. Then there is you can also use a word like luok. Luok is to take a bath. And it can also mean to wash. So you can say aluoko lao. I'm washing clothes. But you can also say I'm washing myself, like taking a shower. Aluokra. We can also put this in this pronominal form and say luokrok. Luokrok. And I'll give you more. Sungruok is to be proud, to be exhibiting pride. Rundruok kuchanganyikiwa, to be confused. Rundruok. Dhwanyruok, to be messy. Now let's now put it in the form that we wanted to talk about. You can ask somebody, itimrinadi. E simply means you, remember? E-T, but now we have ri. Itimri nadi. That is from Dholuo. Okay? Now I wanted to say you are showering or you're washing yourself. Using this example of itimri.
Aluokri.
You.
Or you.
Iluokri. Again with ri. Sungruok, you are showing off. How would you say? Borrow from here. Isungri. Rundruok. Irundri. Umechanganyikiwa, you are confused. Dhwanyruok. Idwanyri. Again ri. You are messing up yourself. So if it's this second person singular which starts with e, it goes with ri. Okay? What if it is to I? First of all, Timruok. An. What does it become? It starts with A, right? A, Tim. And now instead of Ri, it becomes Ra. Atimra. So I can be asking myself, Atimra Nadi, what am I doing to myself? Okay? Then, okay, Luok now. I'm showering or I'm taking a bath. Aluokra. Again, Ra. Sungruok. Asungra. I'm showing off. Rundruok. Arundra. I'm confused. Nimechanganyikiwa sana. Dwanyruok. Adwanyra marach. Then third person. And Otimre nadi. He. What is he done, or what has she done, or what is she doing, or he doing? So Otimre, Luokrok, or Luokre. He's showering. Again, Sungruok or Sungre. He's bragging a lot. Sungre. Rundrock or Rundre. Yeah, he's messed up. And then Dwanyruok or Dwanyre. Now this re can also be used for we, us. So we can say Watimre nadi. We. So if you want to say we are taking shower, Waluokre. He is taking shower. I mean, we are Sungruok. Wasungre, we are bragging. Rundruok. Warundre, we are very confused. And Dwanyruok. Wadwanyre. We have just messed up ourselves. Then we go to they. They, as we saw in the other verbs, starts with gi. Gitim renadi. Again, you see, for he, it ends with re, and also for we, re, and also for gi, also ends with re. Gitim renadi. They, what are they doing? Luokruok? Giluok re. They are showering, they are taking bath. Girundre, right? They are confused. Gisungre, they are bragging. Gidwanyre, they are messing up themselves. Is that okay? Now you can see how to form that. So, question?